Alright, we got a Craftsman Z6700 54-inch deck. Everything on this machine is great and beautiful. It was 2 homeowners, 1 yard, 24 horsepower Craftsman. And the second couple is only selling it because they are moving to Arkansas and they are not having a yard where they're moving to, but they love this machine as well. It's been in the garage its entire life. One of the really cool features about this is it does not have a key. So if you get tired of losing your keys, guess what? We got one just for you. Alright. Deck lowers and raises. Bring down where I'm going to cut. Really interesting way of doing this. Hit these 3 buttons right here, then hit the blue one, then the green. No smoke. Pull off the choke, or off the parking brake. Forward, left, right. Backs up great too. Over here, we're going to show you how this cuts. We did just have a rain, so yeah, well cut. It cuts nice, smooth. Tell me that's not cool. We got Craftsman Z6700. It's got a 24 horsepower platinum engine, Briggs & Stratton by make. It's got the bigger tires, the stronger drives. This is definitely a good mower. I would love to have this mower at my house cut.